Hi, hello, this is Nitin from www.electronicproject.in, a website for student project for engineering and MTech levels. Now I'm going to demonstrate one project, that is motorcycle universal gear indicator. This is a electronic type of motorcycle gear shift indicator, which you can see here 0. This is the 7 segment display on which we can see the position of the gear, what is the present position of the gear. Now this project, the mechanical part is demonstrated here, and how the gear is shifted. If you press the lever down, that is gear number 1. If you again pull it upwards, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and likewise. So now for electronic sensing of the movement of the lever down and up, two Hall effect sensors are provided. That is the down Hall effect sensor you can see here, and this is the upper Hall effect sensor, and this magnet is the normal position, that is default position. In this project he is using 8-pin microcontroller ATtiny 2545/85, and he is using external counter for, that is 4026, for displaying these the digits on 7 segment display. What is the difference between this project and our project is reducing the hardware. In this project many extra hardwares are used, like counter and 2 7 segment displays, like that. In our project what we are going to do, we implement all these counting activities in our own controller. We are using a low cost controller from Atmel, that is 89C2051, that is 8051 instruction set compatible microcontroller in 20 pin version. So here is the prototyping and all those things. Here is the Hall effect sensor. The Hall effect sensor pin number 1 is plus 5 volt, second is ground, and pin number 3 is output. Here is the video you can see. This is the video demonstration of gear shift. There is a mechanical arrangement of that. Okay, let's go to our programming part. The program is developed in Bascom 8051 IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for MCS15 microcontrollers, that is 8051 based microcontrollers. So here is the program editor window where program is written, and let's compile the current program. You can see now it is compiled. And simulate program, if you click on this, one simulator window will open. Double click on this to enlarge it, and show hardware emulation. If you click this button, your ports will be displayed and visible to you. Whatever activity is going on in the program, the related port pin will go high and low here. This glowing red means high, and if you press this, it will become dark, then this indicates 0. Again bright, this indicates 1. So in our program in here we had connected P1 to this LCD 7 segment display. So if we high or low any pin of P1 port 1, it will make a difference in the particular segment. You can see here, if I make it high, this segment will be high, and if I make it low, this segment will be low. So, and the two Hall effect sensor up down, that is this one up sensor is connected, output of that up sensor is connected to P3.4, that is P3.4 here, and the down sensor output is connected to P3.5. So what we do in simulation, by manual pressing these bits, we can make it high and low, and the result will be displayed on this 7 segment LCD. So just now run the program. See, this up down movement shows the program is running between this loop. Okay, so just like in real world, if we make P3.5 means this low, it indicates that I had shifted my gear on front side, that is down side. So 1 will be displayed on the LCD. See, here 1 is displayed, and down sensor pin number 3.4 is connected. So if we make P3.4 here, again neutral, again if we pull the lever upward, then second, again third, fourth, fifth. If you press it again, then it will does not make any change because the limit is 5 gear. Again if you press down, it will 4, again 3, again if you press down 2, again neutral, again 1, and again upwards, neutral. So this is the software simulation of this project. This project is running successfully on the software. Now we are going to burn this code in the controller and test the hardware functionality. Thanks for watching the video.